up, Zig?
Give me a snack pack.
Dude, there's no snack packs. But there's, Smack Tack snack packs.
Where?
In the back.
Where?
Wait, dude, way in the back.
Where?
Every time.
Stuck in the refrigerator. Again. Fucking Craig. Should have never believed him that we had, you know, some like snacks in here. Now I'm stuck in the refrigerator again. Probably for about another hour. Or two. Oh, soda. You're the only one I have left in here. The only one. Alright. What the fuck was that? Dear God! Let me fucking out! Damn you, fucking Craig! Let me out! I don't wanna die! I don't wanna die! I don't wanna die!
Dude, you're still in here?
Hey, is there anything to eat?
Nah, there's nothing.
I'm alone. I ran out of ranch dressing. I hit my hat. And my sock. Alright, sock. Ding dong, no, I just dead. Let's watch. I think I hear people. People are coming. I like cheese. I like vanilla cheese. Vanilla cheese, I think I'll create that. Oh, ranch. Dodge Ram. Oh, I think I'll eat my feet. I'll eat my feet. What's that? It's the wind.
Oh my god! What the hell? How did you get
Maybe I did it at the right time!
Oh my god! What's going on?
Hell, dude, it's getting cold.
Do your face last. Do your face last so it looks fresh. Yeah, there you go.
Take a good look, buddy. Take a good look.
Don't touch your mouth. Okay, what is this? What are we doing? My hat! Dude, you smell hella good! I wanna eat your bowl! Eat this, bitch! No! Wait. Dude, swallow it, Dad, swallow it! Swallow it! Swallow it! No, girl! You want more with here? Oh, dude. Spit. You got splooge all over your face.